What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. I am the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make baked wings in the oven. Yes, just baked wings. No flavor, just baked wings. But they will have some flavor. Now, guys, if you're looking for just a simple recipe for baked chicken, this is the recipe you don't want to miss. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. Alright, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our published green washed chicken. We're going to use crushed red pepper flakes, some cumin, sea salt, minced garlic, black pepper, red pepper, sweet paprika, minced onion, some dried parsley, olive oil, and we're going to use Modelo. Now, you can use whatever kind of beer that you like. This beer was recommended to me by a subscriber. Her name is Rochelle, and I trust her judgment about these beers. So I'm going to give this Modelo a try just to see if she knows what she's talking about, which I think she does. So, guys, you can use any type of beer you want. Again, I'm just using this Modelo. So this is what we're going to use. So let's move on. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use today. What I have here, I have a cup and a half of beer, have a fourth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a fourth of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 3 tablespoons of dried minced onions, a half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a cup of olive oil, and right here I have 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. So this is what we're going to use, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine all our dry seasoning. So I'm going to add my cumin here, my paprika. Next, I'm going to add my parsley, our minced onions, pepper, salt, red pepper flakes, and our cayenne pepper. And we're just going to give this a quick mix to combine them. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to introduce our minced garlic and our olive oil. And let's give that a quick mix like this. And lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to introduce our beer, because it fizzes up like that. And this is what we have. Guys, like I say, you can use any type of beer you want to use. I'm going to use this Modelo because it was highly recommended by a subscriber, Rochelle, and I trust her judgment. So I said, why not? Let's give it a try. All right. So this is what we have. So let's go ahead and keep going. And right here, I'm bringing in our chicken, because right here, I've already placed it in a Ziploc bag. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and just pour this entire marinade over our chicken, just like that. We're gonna make sure we get the air out of it. Guys, this is how I marinate my chicken, my baked chicken. This is just, for me, this is just regular baked chicken. This is what I do to bake my chicken. So we're gonna make sure that all our chicken is submerged in this marinade, and we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for overnight. I like to let this marinate overnight rather than a couple of hours. Guys, this is a delicious tasting baked chicken, and you don't have to just use it on wings. You can use it on, thighs, drumsticks, whatever, breasts. This is a great marinade. All right, let's move on. All right, so I've already lined our baking sheet and with aluminum foil, and we're gonna go ahead and spray our grates with cooking spray. And again, this is for easy cleanup and ensuring that your chicken doesn't stick to your pan with the cooking spray. So we've done that. let's go ahead and grab our chicken and get it on this cooking sheet so we can go ahead and get started baking these wings. All right, so we have our chicken here. So what I'm going to do, I've let it marinate also for about 24 hours. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove them and, you know, drain some of the excess liquid off of it. Put them on our baking sheet, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd your pan. You know my motto is to allow your chicken pieces some breathing room to cook. This is my original recipe that I use to bake my chicken. Like I told you guys, you can use this on, you can use it on a whole chicken. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be wings. You can use it on thighs, legs, breasts, doesn't matter. It's all gonna come out exactly the same, which is delicious. All right, so now we have our chicken pieces onto our pan. So what I've done, I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees. You know, I'm gonna sit these in here and let them sunbathe for about 45 to 50 minutes, turn them over halfway through the cooking process. Also, I'm going to use a little of this marinade to baste the chicken during its final minutes, maybe like the last 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna use it to baste the chicken, that way we can get some of that additional flavor. So let's go ahead, put it in there for about 45 to 50 minutes, turn it over halfway through the cooking process, and do a little basting 5 to 10 minutes before it's done. All right, see you in a bit. And this is our finished product here. After 50 minutes in the oven, nice golden color. This is what you're looking for right here. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and get these plated up. All right, so let's get these things plated up here on our plate. And look at all these nice herbs and spices on this chicken. Oh man, it looks so juicy. And this is what we have. Let's take a look at that under the light. All right, let's go ahead and finish this off. And there you have it, guys. My original baked chicken wings. Let me know what you think about it. They look delicious. I love to cook my chicken wings, or actually bake my chicken wings or chicken like this. Like I say, guys, you can do this with any piece of the chicken. It's gonna come out the same. I'm just using this on my wings at the moment, but I typically cook when I bake my chicken, I typically use this exact recipe. So guys, I did leave the measurements in the video description below. Also, the ingredients will be down in the video description below for you guys to check out. Don't want to leave your house, click on those links. Amazon will deliver them straight to your door. Also, don't forget to go and pick up your All Wings Everything merch. You know, when you're in the kitchen cooking, you have to have that All Wings Everything t-shirt. It just makes you so official, guys, so official. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.